How are you? We're glad you're back at Wealthy Coin. Holy boat! What's going on with the Shiba Inu coin? Weird news. Even though the crypto ecosystem as a whole is currently bearish, anonymous crypto analysts say that optimism about the top growth tokens is growing. The altcoin Sherpa, based on their fundamental and technical strengths, Shiba Inu has a good chance of starting a new uptrend. Altcoin Sherpa says that the price of Shiba Inu will hit 16 cents once the popular meme coin breaks through the resistance level at 13 cents. We will talk about Holy Shib in this video. Shiba Inu coin Shib news, what just happened? Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu's price has gone up by 22% in the last week, which is more than most other cryptocurrencies. And there's more good news. Shibarium is said to be coming out next week on February 14th. On Valentine's Day, the Shiba Inu burn tracker showed that the number of Shibs killed in the last 24 hours had gone up by 10,129%. In the last 24 hours, more than 20.97 million Shib were burned in 5 transactions. Most of the burn came from a single transaction that burned $19.40 billion, since the burn rate the day before was only 205,000 Shib in 2 transactions. This is an increase of 10,129% in the last 24 hours. So, the reason for the supposedly huge increase isn't all that interesting, especially when you consider that there have been many days in the past few months when more than 20 million Shib have been burned. On Monday, for example, 22.3 million Shib were lost forever in 3 transactions, which isn't a good sign. On January 24, the Shiba burn burned more than 110 million Shib in one day, which was the most for the year so far. Still, it's interesting to think about who sent yesterday's big transaction. Crypto.com, a digital currency exchange in Singapore, did a big burn. Data from Etherscan shows that the 19.40 million Shib were sent from the Crypto.com to wallet to the dead wallet in a very large transaction. According to Bitcoinist, the speed of Shib needs to be sped up a lot so that it doesn't take so long to make progress that matters. If that doesn't happen, one estimate says it would take about 1,157,174 years for the total number of tokens to go down to 100 billion, if only 1 million meme coins are burned every day. In other good news, the Shiba Inu network as a whole has reached a big goal. The number of unique addresses in the network that hold assets has grown to more than 1.3 million. Since the beginning of the year, more than 25,000 new addresses have been added. Shiba Inu has seen a steady rise in the number of new addresses with assets greater than 0 Shib since the end of November. As of November 29, there were 1,249,000 addresses, which means that more than 50,000 new addresses have been added to the network just in the last 2 months. The hype also happens when well-known investors do more business on the network. Whales. Bitcoin has said that since January 17th, the network saw the most whale transactions. Price changes tend to be bigger when these things happen. The picture of Shiba Inu didn't come as much of a surprise because the coin has a number of projects planned for its ecosystem, starting with the plan to float the Shibarium protocol. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain network, which is based on Ethereum, is doing everything it can to make its ecosystem work. Shiba Inu also has a clear stake in the fast food business rally, which plans to make a strategic turn into the Middle East through Dubai. The food business will help the meme coin become more of a deflationary asset over time, as some of the fees from transactions that are processed will be burned off. Even though cryptocurrency has had a rough year, a group of tokens have started to make their way back to 2023. Shiba Inu is now in the lead. Its popularity has grown by more than 35% in the last few days and almost 100% in the last month. It's part of a bigger industry trend. Bitcoin, the best-known cryptocurrency and top token, is up 37% since January 1. Ethereum, the second best-known cryptocurrency and number 2 token, is up 35%. One of the brightest green lights is optimism about the economy as a whole, which comes from signs that inflation may be coming. But some people may also believe the most common explanation for Bitcoin, which calculated that 21,000 was the floor price for Bitcoin, and then if its price dropped a few thousand below the floor, traders would start buying the dip, which would keep the price from falling further. During the Shanghai upgrade, the Ethereum blockchain will get a big technical boost when the chain goes through a hard fork. This will let cryptocurrency traders who put tokens into keeping the chain's ledger up to date get their money out of the system in March. The Shanghai upgrade is already flying through milestones, like this month's Zhejiang developer test. But now, there is a lot of buzz about the launch of the Shiba Inu blockchain called Shibarium, which will be based on Ethereum's foundation. The runner-up proposes a new token called Bone ShibaSwap. It will be a governance token that lets people vote on proposals as the Shibarium universe grows. The cryptocurrency exchange Bitget started listing Bone a few days ago. Its market capitalization is already $411 million. The Shib Army, which is made up of Shib fans, is also trying to get Bone listed on the world's biggest crypto exchange. Binance hasn't said anything yet. Bone is the first of several milestones on Shibarium's roadmap, which also includes the release of 2 more tokens called Leash and Treat, which both give Shib holders tokens right after the rally ends. Shib is still only worth 14 cents, and the gap between where it is now and where it was at its peak during the pandemic is still miles wide. And to show how crazy the cryptocurrency markets have become, even with the crashes of the past year, if you had put $100 into Shib when it first came out in August 2020, you would now have over $2.8 million. Satoshi Kusama, the pseudonym of the lead developer behind Shibarium Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain, shared on Twitter what has been discussed on Discord about new crypto projects coming to the ecosystem on Discord. Kusama talks about the crypto projects that will be coming out on Shibarium. I'm so happy to see projects like F9, UFO, and Bat Vehicle, as well as other tokens, use Shibarium and our other platforms. That's the point, right? The project mentioned would be Falcon 9, a launch platform designed to give developers a place to promote and launch new crypto projects. Next, UFO Gaming aims to be a decentralized gaming platform to bring crypto into the world of esports. Recently, Shiba Inu has seen a significant increase in its popularity, making it one of the most popular meme currencies to trade. Like the recent rise in popularity of Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has attracted the attention of many investors. Shiba Inu aims to raise the amount of cryptocurrency that can be traded on decentralized exchanges. This would demonstrate the currency's commitment to developing further tokenized loyalty payouts and trading rewards that encourage competition or 2 interesting incentives offered to holders. All of this makes Shiba Inu a top contender for the title of most popular meme token, thanks to its original approaches to the challenges faced by other digital currencies. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has recently been making headlines in the crypto market. Growth in both demand and Shib's intrinsic value have coincided with the opening of a decentralized exchange for cryptocurrency. In addition, Shiba Inu has launched its metaverse, a 3-dimensional virtual world that uses many different kinds of digital assets and other applications of blockchain technology. Traders wanting to cash in on the next bull run may find the